Christopher Catesby Kit Harington was born on December 26, 1986 is a British actor. He was born in London in England. He gained a lot of fame in 2011 by playing the role of Jon Snow in the Game of Thrones series. Among the films in which Harington has starred are Silent Hill, Revelation, Pompeii, How to Train Your Dragon 2 and 3 and Spooks. Kit Harington was born in Acton in London. His mother, Deborah Jane, is a former playwright and his father, David Richard Harington, is a businessman. Harington's 8th paternal grandfather was King of England Charles II. His father is the 15th Baron of England, and in the event of his father's death, Kit will be proclaimed the 16th Baron of England. Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch the rest of this video and more. In 2016, Harington confirmed that he has been in a relationship with the Scottish actor Rose Leslie for 4 years. Leslie also played the role of Ygritte in the Game of Thrones series. The relationship between the two began in 2012 and during the filming of the series. Harington and Leslie have been living in the same house since 2017. Like Kit, Rose is a descendant of Charles II, through whom she and Harington are related. The two eventually married in 2018. Now let's talk about some interesting facts about his life. At first, he wanted to be a journalist, war reporter and cameraman. Kit Harington says, "I do not follow media news because they usually lie." His favorite movies are 25th Hour, Romeo and Juliet, Jurassic Park, Some Likes It Hot, If, and Hit. He did not know until the age of 11 that his real name was Christopher. He used to work in a bookstore. Kit Harington says, "I was very lucky to have great parents that they were very supportive and still live together." He has an older brother, John Catesby Harington, an IT engineer. In 2013, Kit Harington was honored at the Young Hollywood Artist Awards. In 2011, he first wore a wig to star in Thrones Season 1 but raised his hair for the rest of the series. He has said that his hair has not been long so far, and he will cut his hair again after the end of the Game of Thrones series. He has naturally dark brown hair and dyed his hair to play with the throne. Kit Harington is a fan of David Lynch, the director of Propa Tablet. He is very afraid of spiders, needles and flying, and usually travels by train or car. Kit Harington, who had seen Rose Leslie in Game of Thrones and co-starred with her for a few episodes, says of the series, "I saw my wife in this series. It can be said that this series is my future family brought me. This is the biggest thing this series has given me." He loves parties, going out and poetry. He does not talk about his relationship with Rose Leslie and believes that Rose may not be satisfied with what I'm saying. In any case, it is a personal relationship. He wants to raise his children in London. He thinks London is beautiful and a collection of several different cultures. To star in Pompeii in 2014, he had a strict diet that burned 300 calories a day. He said, "We didn't know if it was going well, if it was going to be well received, but it was with HBO." And Kit Harington has been nominated for 4 Academy Awards for Science Fiction, Fantasy and Horror from 2012 to 2018 for his role in Game of Thrones. In 2016, he was nominated for an Emmy Award for Best Supporting Actor. Kit Harington says, "I wear attractive clothes and body size and I do not know anything about fashion." Kit Harington briefly appeared as a model in advertising, which led to rumors of betrayal of Rose Leslie, but he rejected them all.